Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn 5 advice for a beginner investor in cryptocurrency. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide to 5 advices for a beginner investor in cryptocurrency. If you are excited and ready to learn more about these 5 advices I have for you, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. You should follow a few rules if you want to start investing in cryptocurrencies. Since I just started investing in crypto a few months ago, I thought I'd share the mistakes I made when I first started. 1. Don't freak out. The fear of missing out is something that a lot of new crypto investors feel. Even though the cryptocurrency market moves quickly, it will still be there tomorrow and the day after that. Carefully invest your money and don't jump in and out of the market quickly, or you will lose money. 2. Don't spend too much money. Even though this is obvious, it's better to say it out loud. Never invest money that you can't afford to lose. In the worst case scenario, you could lose all of the money you put in. So be very careful. 3. Plan for the future. There are many ways to invest, but if you are just starting out, you should only invest in the long run. If you are patient enough to wait 2 to 5 years, you can expect to make a lot of money. 4. Find out about the coins you buy. Cryptocurrencies are technological products that serve a purpose. Try to invest in blockchains like Polygon, Polkadot, or Avalanche that have a use. You can probably guess from what I've said that I don't like meme coins very much. 5. Watch out for scams. You probably started investing, so you could make money without doing anything. Usually, if something sounds too good to be true, yes, it is. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning the 5 advices for a beginner investor in cryptocurrency. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you also watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.